GetLowered, thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are looking at a throttle tuner here from Fast Fury or Tury. So these guys make throttle riding modes. Basically, Bluetooth. This connects to your device. You guys can see you have to download an app from the App Store or Google Store, whatever phone you have. It's going to be in the store. Tury, Fast. I believe they have a QR code for the App Store. You can see right here. And this, of course, gives you plenty of different riding modes and settings and levels. There's also a few other features that you can put your bike in. There's valet, and I believe there's a throttle disabling setting, which is quite neat. If you're worried about your bike getting stolen or whatnot, I've been watching these videos on TikTok where they're using a receiver on a house, and it picks up the signal from your key fob, and they're able to program that to your bike and steal your bike, which is kind of scary. So you could actually disable your throttle, your throttle by wire, and yeah, just add a little bit more to your anti-theft system. So let's go ahead and just unbox it. Let's see what's inside. We have the actual device, 3.3H. So this is for the touring models and the Milwaukee 8 Softails. You can see the quality of it is actually quite nice. All right, so you have the connectors. They look high quality. 6-pin, yeah, 6-pin connector. You also have a sleeving. This looks like a high heat fiberglass. No, I don't think this is fiberglass. Probably plastic sleeve. Very nice, high quality piece. I'm guessing this is where the Bluetooth transmitter is and whatever they do to alter your throttle sensitivity, like I've mentioned in a lot of my Indian videos. What else do we have in here? We have a warranty of some sort. This part is made in Brazil. And then we also have, okay, we have more. So a quick guide, installation guide, of course, for the app and how to kind of set it up as well. I will have a video on how to set this up. So if you guys see my video, RBW skull. So this is pretty much the same thing like that, all right? RBW skull, that is a throttle tuner as well. Now, if you have, like I said, I mentioned in that video, if you have a fuel pack 3, you could actually have, you could actually modify your throttle sensitivity or your throttle blade control through your fuel pack 3. You also have an option to do that in your PowerJet, DynoJet Power Vision tuner. You could do that, but I just didn't want to mess with it. It's kind of complex for the average Joe. I really don't know how to go about and set my throttle blade and my throttle lag, all that stuff. I didn't want to mess with it because it's not an easy thing to do, okay? You have to, of course, hook it up to your computer, download the app on your computer. It only works for PC. Then you have to adjust the fuel levels and the throttle blade control and your throttle positioning sensor as well. It's just complex. I figured this is easy install. You guys will watch the install, and it's connected to your app, so you don't have to connect or wire or feed a wire to your bars, kind of like you have to do with the RBW. This is pretty much, you know, a simple install. You just get your throttle by wire connector, put this in between. You don't void your warranty, stuff like that. I'll talk about this in a separate video. So this is just easier. Okay, so we'll see what's it all about. I'm really excited. Right now I just finished installing the SPC exhaust, and the reason why I got this is because my El Diablo, it wasn't performing too well at the low end. Now that I have the SPC exhaust, my bike feels completely different. And I don't know, maybe if I had the SPC exhaust, I probably wouldn't have gotten this. But now that I have it, we'll combine this with the SPC exhaust and the stage 2, and we'll see how it performs. So you guys stay tuned for the install, and stay tuned for the reaction, and then of course the walkthrough of all the different modes. Yeah, all right, so you guys stay out there, stay safe. I contacted them before, you know, we do the outro. Contacted Tury. I don't know how to pronounce this, Fury or Tury, man, I don't know. So they have a discount code if you guys want to use it, Infamous, on their website. You could do so. We'll talk about the benefits of the system in a separate video. This is just the unboxing, okay? So you guys stay out there, stay safe. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.